For today's project, I want to do what I'm calling the reed twist. You guys may remember this simple tenon jig from a previous video. So I first want to use this to round the center of this square bar while pinching the edges flat. You can see better here how the square bar is wider than the tenon depressions. I have to give Max Reed, a customer of mine, credit for showing me this. He made tenon dies for a guillotine tool he purchased from me, and he used those dies for this very interesting twist. You can tell by the rust on this jig that I barely use it. Using my own guillotine tool would be better, but the jig is the perfect size for the 3/8 inch square rod I'm using. Maybe Max came up with this on his own, or saw this technique elsewhere. Regardless, in blacksmithing we're all learning from each other and standing on the shoulders of those who came before us. Blacksmithing is so varied, I don't think any one person can claim to know everything. I'm just straightening that bend a little here before putting in the twist. This is the first time I've done this, so I'm twisting it slowly just to see where it looks about right. Big shout out to Max Reed for showing me this, and to Jerry Hodges for yet another generous donation to the channel.